Hi, everybody. I'm Marianna Tessel. I'm Chief Technology Officer here at Intuit. And you heard quite a bit today the word platform. So I want to take you through how the platform actually fuels our innovation here at the company. So first of all, I want to start with technology strategy. And as Sasan shared, we actually start always with the customer. And everything that we do in technology is in the service of the company and the service of the customer. Our technology strategy is also driven by our big bets, our true north goals, and our company bold goals. Last, it's guided by our strategy of being AI-driven expert platform. In order to accomplish all of that, we actually declared three technology priorities. The first one is to delight our customers through product and operational excellence. This actually means we set a high bar of excellence for ourselves in everything that we do. The second one is to power vision with world-class Intuit platform capabilities. What this means is actually that we're building a platform with capabilities. And the last one is to accelerate our work with modern Intuit development environment. That means that our developers deserve and have the most modern tools that are out there. I want to now introduce you to a concept we call a city map. The platform is not a theoretical thing for us. It's actually anchored in something we call the city map. The city map reflects our architecture and it reflects our business. It actually shows everything that we are developing. It drives our vision, and it clarifies to have what we have. It clarifies to us what we have and what we still need. It helps us organize our work. It actually helps us organize our organization, and it drives accountability. It accelerates us, and it also accelerates our acquisitions in MailChimp and Credit Karma and others. We're not limited by it. It actually empowers us. It changes as we need to change it. We can add new technologies into it, and we continue to evolve it organically as we learn. In a nutshell, the city map creates leverage and speed for us, and it's key in our transformation to a platform company. So now that I talked about it, let me show it to you. Well, this is the city map. Right? It's a map of all of our capabilities, and every capability is actually representing, every box here is representing a capability. But before I actually go into details, I want you to understand the scale of what I'm showing to you. This is one of the largest data platforms out there. This is one of the largest money movement infrastructure that actually fuels our portfolio. It's one of the largest AI infrastructure that is out there. 60 billion machine learning predictions per day. And it's the largest virtual expert platform that powers our live growth. What you see in here is just the top level. The capabilities, like I said, are boxes. But internally, we have the details underneath that, all the way to the code. I want to actually take you through it and build it up like a cake, level by level. We're going to start with some key building blocks, our development environment and our enterprise systems. Our development environment is a modern SaaS environment. It has world-class capabilities that help us develop and deploy with speed. It has security, compliance, everything built in and automated into our tool set. Our enterprise systems is the systems we use at a company to run our business. Excuse me. It has systems like finance and workforce management. Many companies call it IT. We actually use these and view them as strategic capabilities to us. We're going to build the next three levels: security, risk, and fraud, data infrastructure, and AI infrastructure. Security helps us secure our experiences and deliver the code that our customers can trust and use with confidence. Data infrastructure helps us organize, process, and interpret data. And AI infrastructure has everything that we need to use and deploy machine learning, knowledge engineering, and natural language processing. We are able to deliver AI at scale. And more than that, We democratize AI so it actually can be used across our engineering. Our engineers can use AI to make our products smarter. When you look at the layers of the platform, I want you to understand something. The layers actually work together. In this case, for example, the more data in AI we have, the actually better security we have. The better security we have and fraud prevention, the faster we can deliver benefit to our customers. So let's build the next 3 layers. This is core capabilities, customer growth and engagement, and business domain capabilities. Core capabilities are the most leveraged capabilities that we have across the company. They allow our experiences to work together. They have the building blocks for our product and experiences. One example of such core capability is our identity system. Next, customer growth and engagement. It actually helps us define, market, and sell our applications. It contains also our experimentation platform that helps us test new solutions and ideas with speed. Last, business domain. It has the business logic for our applications. And we build it in a way that we can meet our customers wherever they are. Mobile, web, voice, and someday, hopefully soon, in the metaverse. I want to point you out all the way to the right. It has the virtual expert platform. You see it says expertise. This actually powers our Big Bet 2 and many other experiences that we have in the company. In particular, again, connecting people to expert. The last layer is the app layer. All the capabilities are building blocks to what our customers see, which is the applications. It helps us solve our customers' most important problems. At this point, we went through the entire city map, so you must be experts by now. And you saw how the platform is actually constructed from building blocks all the way to the app. That actually helps us innovate with speed and deliver the benefit to the customers we talked about. But I don't want to stop there. I want to actually take you through a little bit more in depth and bring it more to life and actually explain to you how the capabilities end up with innovation. So we're going to go through 5 examples. The first one is modern development environment. This is the environment that really helps our developers move with speed. All of our solutions start here. We actually made amazing progress over the last 3 years. We are 100% in the cloud. All of our services are fully in the cloud. Our scale is massive. At peak, we have 1 million CPU cores that are running in production. We're at the most modern infrastructure. In fact, we're probably known in the industry for how modern our infrastructure is. One of the things you might not be aware of is that we have very popular open source components that were built based on what we use here. One of our open source components, Argo, is so popular that is used by over 1,000 companies, including Google, Alibaba, GitHub, Tesla. This modern environment really allows us to move with speed. And in the last couple of years, we increased 6x the time it takes us to release code into productions. So our developers are 6x faster. Let's take a look at another example. AI infrastructure. Again, our strategy is to be AI-driven expert platform. So AI is very important for us. In fact, we are delivering AI at scale. I want to remind you again some of the numbers you saw today. 58 billion machine learning predictions per day, 730 million AI-driven interactions per year. And just for categorization alone, just one of the problems we're solving is 2 million personalized models are running in production at any given time to deliver that value for our customers. We have over 700 AI patents. This really allows us to move with speed and empowers us and our developers to create smart products for our customers. Now, take a look at the right here. And you saw it upstairs as well. Matchmaking in TurboTax Live. On the surface, you might say, this is really like an easy problem. It's finding a scheduled slot and matching an expert to a customer. However, this is actually a very sophisticated AI problem. It's about matching hundreds of attributes to match the perfect expert to a customer. Includes, data such as customer-relevant tax topics, maybe the tax return complexity, expert proficiency, compatibility, expert capacity, of course. And we're able to do all of this in real time. During peak, we're able to do matchmaking in as little time as 500 milliseconds. This is unbelievable. Not only that this results in better customer experience, the outcome is also more productive experts. We're actually able to reduce 1 hour in the time it takes to serve TurboTax Live customers on our Virtual Expert platform. Let's look at the next component. This one we call data integration. But again, before we actually look at data integration, let's kind of remind ourselves again that data is the lifeline for our products. It's really critical for us. So I just, again, want to remind you of the scale of our data. 47 million tax returns, 93 million tax forms, 60 billion small business data points that we have. Again, massive data. It is critical for us to have the right data at the right time. So data integration really handles the acquisition and exchange of data from and to third parties. This is external data to us. And we actually set the standard here. We have best-in-class network of 24,000 financial institutions. This is across 41 countries. We actually save our customers millions of hours of work. And this year, again, you can see on the right, customers started to invest in crypto. Because we have an amazing platform capability we can build on, we were able to add crypto providers very rapidly. We added more than 50 crypto providers. And this year already, we used that capability. And we had 1.7 crypto imports on our platform this past tax year. Now, another example is our fintech infrastructure. We have the critical capabilities to move money on our platform and to give our customers faster access to their money. It is critical for our customers. We actually have been busy building this capability in the last 7 years, so we have a lot to kind of use here. And we're, again, at a massive scale. This year alone, $2 trillion of invoices were managed on our platform. $465 billion were moved. $270 billion were managed in small business payroll. And $1.3 billion in loan were originated on QuickBooks. All of this is using our money movement platform. We're also able to innovate and bring new experiences very rapidly because we have that foundation. Again, example here on the right is our get paid upfront. Customers actually can draw money as soon as the invoice is sent. This is, again, really unprecedented. It will reduce the time for customers to wait for invoice from 30 days to 1 day. Money movement is really at the heart of many innovations, and this one as well. And we are really well positioned to build things like account payable and bill pay. The last example I want to take you through is identity. It's a core component we talked about. I want to remind you that we have 103 million customers. Our identity system, which we actually refactored in the last couple of years, is very modern, and it has modern authentication and authorization capabilities. It's kind of like table stakes. But in addition, we actually have 360-degree view of our customers. We have over 400,000 attributes for small business and over 55,000 attributes for consumers. During peak, our identity system served 3.6 billion requests with absolutely 0 failures. Our identity system is sophisticated and allows our customers to connect quickly to our products. This includes Credit Karma and other offerings we have. It actually opens new experiences for customers. We built something that we called Data Bridge to accomplish that. It helps us to exchange data in real time. This is not something we were able to do in the past. The Data Bridge enables 3x growth in TurboTax online customers who actually deposited refund into Credit Karma money account. Again, I think you saw the demo upstairs. Since I touched on Credit Karma, I actually want to tell you a little bit more on our technology strategy for acquisitions. Our approach really focuses on acceleration and not integration, which means that we focus on how our products work together and bringing value to the customers and the speed of innovation. However, we do all of that while maintaining architectural integrity. As an example, Databricks, that I just talked about, has over 5 billion data elements that it moved in the last 6 months. We also developed something we call bidirectional account linking that help us do single sign-on between Credit Karma and Intuit products. It allows our customers to seamlessly move from one product to another, and we're going to expand it to MailChimp. And the fact that our products sometimes are in multiple clouds, that doesn't slow us down. We're actually able to interoperate between clouds in real time, regardless of where they're hosted. So let's wrap it up. I hope that by now you actually see how the technology platform fuels our success. Please also know that we're a significantly different company than we were 5 years ago. We evolved from siloed stacks to one platform with capabilities. It allows us to use cutting-edge technologies and innovate with speed for our customers. In fact, we created a flywheel. We actually get faster and better all the time, and we can deliver new value to customers every single day. Thank you all so much, and with that, I would like to hand it off to Alex.